Hey guys, this is Miss Lynn. I wanted to give you a help video to assist you with the charts assignment in Unit 4 in Microsoft Excel with our ice cream data. Feel free to pause this video and work in Excel and then come back to the video and play it as you are working. Everything we need is in the assignment folder. So from our home page, we're going to click on assignments and scroll down till you see the 4.09 graded assignment chart. In there, we have our instructions. So what you're going to do is open up the instructions and open up Excel. What I like to do is to arrange Microsoft Excel and the instructions side by side. We set up this spreadsheet in class with our favorite ice cream flavors, the flavors on the left side in column A column for Miss Lynn and Mr. McNulty. If you have not created this in class with us, just pause this video and type this up in Excel. Once you have this typed up, we're ready to format. We're just going to follow the steps in the instructions. So the first step is to select the range A1 to C1, merge in center, and fill with a light orange color. So I'm going to click on A1, hold down my mouse, drag to C1, and on the Home tab in the Alignment group, we have Merge and Center, which makes that one cell and centers it. Then we're going to change the fill color. It's on the Home tab in the Font group. We're going to just pick a nice light orange color. So that is step one. Step two is to resize the columns to fit the data. If you go between the two columns in the headers up here at the top, you can see it turns to a double-sided arrow. You can double click or click and drag to resize the columns so that the data doesn't spill over into the next column. Step three, we're going to fill A2 through A10 with a light fill color, light blue. You want to choose a color that's light enough that your text will be visible through. And the same thing with B2 to B10, but you're going to use a light gray color. Now we're going to insert a chart. In order to insert the chart, we're on step 5. You're going to select from A2 to C10, and you're going to go to the Insert tab, and we're going to choose a column, 3D column chart. So that creates the chart in Excel for you. It's like any other object. You've got handles to make it bigger or smaller. For step 6, we're going to just double click the title and call it Favorite Ice Cream Flavors. And then in step 7, we're going to format the chart. Instead of orange and blue, we can click in the chart, click on the data points, right click, and just change that fill color for the orange ones to green. You can also play around and customize it some more, but now we have a chart. It has our title, it has our flavors, and our legend, our key here. Miss Lynn is blue and Mr. McNulty is green. Now that we have a good looking chart, we're going to add some formulas. So in cell A11, we're going to type total. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to insert the sum function. So equals sum, and then we're going to select our range of numbers from B3 colon to B10 colon, parentheses. So equals sum B3 to B10. Press enter, and you can see it will total up all of the students in Miss Lynn's class that answered the survey. You can copy that and do the same thing and paste it for Mr. McNulty's class. Pressing escape will take away the copying. Now we're going to do the same thing in A14. We're going to do, or excuse me, in A12, we're going to type max, A13 min, and average. So if you're having trouble typing those formulas in for the max, you can click on the cell B12 and you can come right up here to the home tab in the editing group. There's an AutoSum function button. We can go ahead and choose max. It will type the formula for you. You just want to confirm the range. So we only want to choose the max number from B3 to B10. So equals max parentheses B3 to B10. You can press enter or check mark. And then we do the same thing over here for Mr. McNulty. Max, but it's C3 to C10. You definitely want to change that so it doesn't include C11. And then we do the same thing for min and average. So min is equals min B3 colon B10. Press enter. And we can even copy that and paste it. And Excel's smart. It'll change the range from B to C. And then we're going to also find the average. So again, you can type the formula equals average, or you can come up here to the drop down arrow beside AutoSum. But again, just correct your range. Another way to copy and paste is to hold down the bottom right corner and drag to the right. Now that we have our formulas, the last step then is going to select A right here, 11, all the way over to C14 and choose a light green fill color. All right. We are ready to go now. This is ready to submit. We have our data, we have our chart, we have our formulas. So just do a file save as, go to your computer literacy folder. You can call it ice cream with your name. And now you are ready to upload that into our assignment folder here. So I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to add my file, go to my desktop where my computer literacy folder is located. Find my ice cream Miss Lynn spreadsheet, add it, and submit. All right, again, feel free to pause and back this video up and replay it. If you have any questions or need help, just send me an email.